Hello everyone, my name is Amber and welcome to another Stellar Guitarist guitar tutorial. I'm so excited. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Beautiful Things by Benson Boone. Make sure your guitar is in standard tuning and that you have a capo on the first fret of your guitar. Without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial today. So I've zoomed in here so you can see exactly what's going to be going on in the song in terms of chords and the strumming. So we're going to start off by going over all the chords that we need for the song. So the first chord that we're going to need is a D major chord. We're then going to need an A major. We then have an E major. So those are the three simple chords that we need for this song. We then need the F sharp minor 7. This sounds heck of a confusing. It is technically meant to be played as a bar chord, which looks like this. But I've got such an easy alternative for you. You're going to love me for this. So all we need to do is we're going to be going back to that A chord shape. But I want you to play it with your second, third and fourth fingers, and your first finger is going to go into the second fret on your sixth string. Now what you're going to need to do is make sure that your first finger is muting the fifth string. We don't want to hear that string ringing out. So that's how it's going to sound, and that's going to give us that F sharp minor 7 chord. Then our final chord that we need for this song is a B minor chord. And for this you can play the bar chord if you're at that level of ability, or you can use my easy B minor chord shape. So instead of playing with a bar, you're just going to take your first finger and put it into the second fret on your high E string or your first string, and we strum from the fourth string down. So take a moment now just to practice changing back and forth between those chord shapes before moving on into the next section of the lesson. So the song is going to start off with a chord sequence in the intro and the first half of the verse, which is going to go something like this. We're going to have 2 counts on the D, 1, 2, 2 counts on A, 1, 2, and 4 counts on E. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next line of chords are going to be 2 beats on each chord. So 2 on D, 1, 2 to A, 1, 2, 1, 2 on E, and 1, 2 on the F sharp minor 7. So let's put that all together, starting on the D. Here we go. And 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to D. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Switch. 1, 2. So you can play this opening chord sequence with one down strum, just as I've demonstrated there. This is a super beginner-friendly way to play the song. Or what you can do is you can imitate the picking that we hear in the song, which is going to go something like this. So what am I doing here? Let's break it down together. So we're going to start on that D major chord, and we're going to lift our middle finger up off of the string. And we're going to play the fourth string, the third string, and then our first string open, and hammer on that middle finger. So we have fourth string, third string, first string, hammer on. We're then going to move across to the A chord, and we're going to play the fifth string, the fourth string, and the second string. So it's fifth, fourth, second. We then move across to the E chord, and we're going to play the 6th string, the 4th string, and the 3rd string. So that's the first line of the chord sequence. So let's play it very slowly, starting on the D. Ready, and to the A, and to the E. The next line of chords starts exactly the same with the D, A, and E. And all we're going to do is add that F sharp minor 7 chord at the end. So let's just quickly learn what are we going to be doing on that F sharp minor 7 chord. So we're going to be playing the 6th string, the 4th string, and the 3rd string. So in essence, you're picking the same strings that you would have already picked when you did the E chord. The 6th, the 4th, and the 3rd. So if we play that line of the chord sequence, starting on the D, it's going to sound like this. A 1, 2, 3, 4. To A, and to E, back to the D, to A, to the E, and to F sharp minor 7. Now halfway through the verse, we are going to switch from that picking pattern to introducing a strumming pattern that's going to sound like this. Down, 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 up. And we're going to count this 1, 2, and a. 1, 2, and a. And just for context, the strumming pattern is going to come in on the lyrics that start off with, and I thank God every day. Okay, so down, 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 up. So how this is going to sound with our chords, they're up on the screen. It's going to sound like this, starting on the D, 1 round of the strumming pattern per chord. 2, 3, 4. The D to the A to E, F sharp minor 7, and the D to the A and E. Repeat the E and the D to the A. And we stop there, because then the last 2 lines of the verse we're going to go to playing just 1 down strum on the following chords. We have the F sharp minor 7 to the E and the D. So we have F sharp minor 7 for 1 strum, to the E, to the D. They're quite quick. You strum them one after each other. Okay. So F sharp minor 7 to the E, to the D. And then we're going to go to the B minor. The man who wants to, then to the E. Now at the end of this lesson, during the play along, when I have the lyrics and the chords up on the screen, you're going to see an asterisk beside the chord that needs 1 down strum. So that's the little tiny star that I'm going to be placing beside the chords that just need that 1 down strum. It's going to help you out, so keep a lookout for that. If you are enjoying the lesson today, please could I ask you to like this video, and why not subscribe to my channel? I release videos just like this one every single week so that I can help you to become a stellar guitarist. And if you're wanting to find out more about how you can work with me, then go to stellarguitarist.com, or you can even click the link below this video and go and grab some of my free content, or you can even sign up for my awesome guitar course, the Stellar Academy, which is my step-by-step guitar program that is going to help you go from 0 to hero on your guitar journey. Right, let's get back into the lesson. Right, this leads us nicely into the pre-chorus, which is where all the fun begins. We're going to start playing 6 down strums on each chord, and we're going to focus on just hitting 3 or 4 strings of the chord. This is really going to help us replicate that electric guitar that we hear in the original track. So make sure your strumming movements are really small so that you can keep up with the pace of the song. So the chords in the pre-chorus are really straightforward. We have D, A, E, F sharp minor 7, and we're going to repeat this 3 times. So let's give that a play through, starting on the D and our strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So starting on the D, here we go. A 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A and E and F sharp minor 7. Repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. Now next we're going to move into the chorus, and the cool thing here is that the chord sequence is going to stay the same as the pre-chorus, but we're going to add a bit of spice with our strumming pattern. So how are we going to do this? On the D and the A chords, we are going to strum down 4 times followed by a palm mute. So it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a really quick mute after that 4th strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you really want to cut that sound. That is the main purpose of that palm mute, is to cut the sound, cut that ringing out as fast as possible. And then the E and the F sharp minor 7 will get 6 down strums. So if we put the whole thing together from the D, here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And lastly, we have our post-chorus. We're going to have the same chords in the same order, playing 6 down strums on each chord until you see the little asterisk, which indicates that we need to do 1 down strum. So the post-chorus is going to sound like this in total. Starting on that D, a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the A, ooh, F sharp minor, and E, 1 strum, A, don't E. Now, when we head on into the second verse of the song, we are going to play this section using 6 down strums on each chord, so it is identical to the pre-chorus. All that is left to do now is to put all those sections together, so join me in the next part of this lesson where I will be doing a full playthrough of the song. A 1, 2, 3, 4. For a while there it was rough, but lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. And I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love. She'll come and stay the night, and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives me He can take away. And I hold you every night, and that's a feeling I wanna get used to. But there's no man as terrified as the man who stands to lose you. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. beautiful things that I've got. Thank you so much for watching my guitar tutorial today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. It would be awesome to meet you, so why not pop down in the comments, say hi, let me know where you're watching from. And until next time, I hope to see you in my next guitar tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Bye.